it's Ashley from Attitude Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Pacific Northwest box, or the PNW box. This is a subscription box that includes products that are handmade in the Pacific Northwest, all local and things like that. I don't know what's in here, but I love the Pacific Northwest, and I have like secret dreams of moving there after all my kids graduate, so I'm actually excited to see what's in here. Alright, so I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's PNW box, all caps. I'll put that down below. That gives you a special discount at checkout. It's $24.95 a month, and we're just gonna get in there. So it says, did you know this box was recycled and provided to us by Bearded Oregon? Yay, Earth. Smell me, incense, cedar. So there's cedar incense in there. And then these are our inserts. There's a little card here. This is their, I guess, social. What's inside? We don't want to do that. Rate the products. Oh, cool. So you can rate the products, circle them, and then send them a picture and let them know what you thought. So our first item here is, I can see, this is Bob's Red Mill. I love this stuff. I did not know this was made in the Pacific Northwest. This is gluten-free oatmeal, blueberry, and hazelnut with flax and chia. Don't go in there. This is a 2.5 ounce. These are those ones that you put the water in and then you let it sit maybe overnight. I'm not sure. Add hot water to fill, line, and stir. Cover and let stand for 3 minutes. Never mind. Don't listen to me. So there's that. I didn't know that was made in the Pacific Northwest. Alright, then we have, what's this? Real Girl Designs. It's a little mountain. Is this the incense? I don't know. A little mountain. Real Girl Designs. I don't know what it is though. I guess it's just a little thing. Am I wrong? I don't know. I've got to figure it out. I'm going to have to look after this video. It's cute though. It's a little mountain. So it's the Pacific Northwest, obviously. Alright. Then we've got Why the Jumping Sheep. Our mission is to provide quality bath and body products made with the finest ingredients at an affordable price. Our products are handmade in Oregon. All of our products are 100% all naturally, locally sourced as much as possible. Made free of palm oil, parabens, sulfates, and sorbates. This is Oregon beer soap. Ooh. It's a little round. It smells like pine. I don't know if there's something in here that smells like pine. Maybe that's the cedar wood. So that's a little soap. Those are great for your guest bathroom or something like that. And then obviously I'm going to link down below to my full review. I'm going to go in depth. I'm going to find the prices. We'll do a price breakdown. We will also link to each of these smaller companies. Give them a little shout out. So if you're interested in doing that, I will link to that. Then we have, ooh, Easy Light Fire Starter. This is super cool. So this, what is it made of? Looks like a little, like, I don't know, like wood chips maybe? That's cool. It's made in Princeville, Oregon. It's great for hunters, campers, fishermen, skiers, backpackers, barbecues, stoves, fireplaces, campfires, and hibachi. So we don't have our own fire pit. We borrow our neighbors. Shout out to them. And we will occasionally have a fire out back at our barbecues. So this is cool. We will definitely use it. And this box is full. There's still like a bunch of stuff down here at the bottom. I'm super excited. All right, we've got a little lip balm. This is from Bushel and a Peck. Oh, and a hug around the neck. I like that. This is Hugga. It is made in Bend, Oregon. Made with coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, red raspberry seed oil, vanilla infused jojoba, therapeutic grade essential oil of cardamom. So it's going to have like a cinnamony scent and whatnot. All right. We've got a pencil. Let them be little. Let them play. Real Girls Designs. Cardamom in my head. Carmen Ambrose. Let them be little. Let them play. And it's a little pencil. And there's a little ballerina on it. Then we've got a magnet, only natural ingredients, Oregon Essentials. And then a bunch of little cards here from each of the companies included. There's a lot of little stuff at the bottom. I just don't want to miss anything. So we've got Triumph Outpost. This is a leather keychain. It's funny, my anniversary is coming up, my 3rd anniversary. And I think the traditional gift is a leather gift. So I'm thinking, what can I give my husband? It's leather. All right. Bearded Oregon Authentic Beard oil. It says Bend, infused with a local pale ale and woodsy aromas. Let's smell it. My husband doesn't have a beard. He has side mutton chops or whatever. That's like we must have that or we get divorced. Oh, it smells very masculine. It doesn't have like really like a smell at all, except that you would like a man. That's interesting. I don't know why I put it all over my hand like that. I just wanted to smell it. Okay, moving on. We got like an essential oil here. Yeah, this is what I smell. Canopy Essential Oils Noble Fir. So this is a piney scent. You can add this to your diffuser. You can use it in recipes. That is definitely a Pacific Northwest item. I mean, these are all very, very woodsy feeling. I love it. And then finally, we have Oregon's Essentials Head to Toe Honey Wash made with raw Oregon honey and sweet mint. This is a 1 ounce sample. Ooh, it smells so good. It's kind of got like a peppermint, but it also has like a sweet, not like sweet like peppermint, like, but like a sweet like honey. Like, ooh, I love this. I like this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. So then on the side here we have a whole bunch of information. 1 free product from Tofurky because it's made in Oregon. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I love Tofurky. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I used to be vegetarian for like 6 years. So Thanksgivings were always that Tofurky that's stuffed and you cut it open. It was so good though. Bearded Oregon. So there's that. A picture of the Let Them Be Little. I guess they make little dolls. And then a card for Bearded Oregon as well. So that's everything that I received in my PNW box. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to PNW box with my affiliate link so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!